Bolong Kuthuk, a remote place. We're going in a very deep forest, and it's one of the remotest place of Tripura. And now we are going to hunt wild fishes of jungle. Guys, it's a deep forest of our Tripura. So we are in a river, small stream. So we are going to catch some jungly wild fishes in this stream. So let's see. I think they get some wild fishes. Oh, tama aman khara. That is called gongya. So I get that fishes. So what kind of fishes I get? I get so many fishes. See. So first time on a sagla mangraka. They shabas kan thang te manai. Book they buthangi tamfiru, and we are going to more deepest area of the jungle stream. So what they get there, let's see. Oh, so see that it's more deepest area of that river. So oh, it's too cool. Come kasangma area wa. Oh, ho 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 ho. Tabok oro aram lene. Belai kasang area phai sopai lekesi. Wow, bocang jora. Aram na chingga. Tam man na legen aro. What they get here? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. यहाँ क्या मिलते हैं देखते हैं। ओह, बस अंशी को लोग इस थाने का। ये अब मंगसा सामान लिया ना, आसा को तो खाने। ओह मन का, खरोक सला मान जाका, सब मान जाका हमारा लाइट दिया।